Imagine waking up every day feeling truly free, with the power to shape your destiny. The only way to deal with an unfree world is to become so absolutely free that your very existence is an act of rebellion, said Albert Camus. In today's fast-paced world, personal freedom is the ultimate form of inner growth. It's not just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. Personal freedom is the ability to live life on your terms, unchained by external expectations or internal fears. It means having the courage to pursue your passions, make your own choices, and embrace your true self. Why is it important? Because without it, we're merely existing, not living. Personal freedom fuels our creativity, boosts our happiness, and empowers us to lead more fulfilling lives. Think about the times when you felt most alive. Was it when you followed someone else's path, or when you carved out your own? Personal freedom is about breaking free from the constraints that hold us back. Whether they're societal norms, past mistakes, or self-doubt, it's about finding the strength within to say, "This is my life, and I will live it fully." This journey isn't easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. Each step you take towards personal freedom is a step towards becoming the person you were always meant to be. So, how do you create personal freedom? By making conscious choices every day. Embrace your passions, let go of fear, and dare to be different. Remember, freedom is not the absence of commitments, but the ability to choose and commit myself to what is best for me. Paulo Coelho. As you embark on this journey, know that every effort you make is a testament to your strength and resilience. Take charge of your destiny and create the personal freedom you deserve. Thank you for joining me on this path to inner growth. Let's continue to inspire and uplift each other, one step at a time. Keep pushing forward, because your power to create the life you want is limitless. Now is your time to shine. For more videos like this, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow with you.